This is XX Buttering XX. In this video we will be taking apart a hard drive from an Xbox original. Pretty much the same thing that I think that you'd find in a computer. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove the screws. There is one there, there's one there, there, there. And first you will remove those. We use the power drill. I'd recommend this drill to anybody. You have to hold it still to unscrew it, if you're going the right way. Sorry, it's my brother that's doing it. He doesn't know how to really work it. But first you will start to remove the screws. And next you'll flip it over and take off the other screws that are located on the back of the circuit board, that are located there, 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 and there. And next you'll remove that stuff. It just connected to that. You didn't have to unhook anything. And next you take off the other plate on the other side. You'll need to probably use a screwdriver to wedge it off, or there might be another screw underneath the stickers. We don't really know. But for now, we're just going to try wedging underneath it to get it off. Oh, never mind. There's another screw he found. That should be it. And again, I'd recommend this drill to anybody. It's a really good drill.
I'm just not a good person at using this. Pops right off.
And that is what the inside looks like. It looks like it's just a disc. If y'all didn't know what that was, what inside was, it's just a disc.
Remove these.
And next you'll remove
The little thing.
There's a thing there. There. Sorry about not focusing, it's kind of dark. One there, there, and there.
And
no,
here.
More for that. Oh, no. We just can't get one of them out. It's in there really tight.
Can I try getting it out?
It's not gonna come out.
Pop this out.
There you go. Just try to pop everything out. And that's pretty much taking apart a hard drive. This is XX Bloater and XX. Please comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up.